To solve the cube one-handed, I'm going to put my thumb at the front right here and my ring and middle finger at the back right here. This forms a strong grip on the cube so I don't drop it while solving. Then I have my pointer finger and my pinky free to turn the cube. Use my pointer finger to turn the top face and my pinky to turn the right face. And I'll purposely try to make as many moves using the top and right faces, as it's easiest when I'm turning left-handed. To start the cross, what I'm going to do is put this blue edge in place, put the orange in next, and bring the green down, and then move the cross over and bring the red down last. First thing I see is this corner and this edge pair. Going to match them up like that and insert it into the back. Then I see this edge and this corner. So I'm going to pair them up like this. And right away I saw this corner and this edge, and it's an easy pair to just go like that. And then lastly, I have this corner and this red and green edge. I'm going to pair them up like this. But before I insert it, I see that I have this pattern right here where there's two yellow edges already solved on top. So I'm going to rotate like this and do this algorithm. This gets all yellow edges on top oriented, forming this cross pattern. And this makes the algorithms much easier to execute one-handed. This is because I'll only have to use the right face and top face. So this algorithm, like that, to get all yellow on top. And this next one too is going to be easy, as I'll only need to use the right and top face as well.